Hey guys, I'm here to show you some Subway Surfers. I'm really good at it. My score is really better. You'll see it. I'm the third place in bronze in Subway Surfers. I'll show you. Let's load. Start at the top. See, I'm third. Nuda and Sam's right in front of me. But yeah, I like jumping. And here's a tip to play. Always look ahead, not behind. And super sneakers can, when you jump, they can also pick up power-ups. Just wondering what you guys know. And you can get coins all the way until the trains are right in front of your face. Super sneakers. Oh yeah, also the super sneakers can also collect coins when you jump over them. See? I guess a lot of people like throwing coins at me, and they stay. Oh my god. 3, 3, 3, 3. All my upgrades are all level 3. Look, Mom. It's awesome, right? Do you still have Subway Surfers that I downloaded? Mom. Get on it and go to Top Run for a second. And you'll see me in third place. I used to be in first until those two people. I used to be first place in bronze. Mom. No. You're on iPhone, aren't you? What are you on? Did you see that little pud thing I did? That I posted? No. Look, his eyes kept opening. Bye-bye. By the way, here's another tip. Right when you jump on trains, go down, like slide down, so you can get more coins. I'm not talking about watching. If you're a fan of Matthew Carpenter, he's actually pretty much my brother. If you ever saw that video where he punched somebody, stop it, really, Mom. When he punched somebody and they set on fire, that was actually me who got punched. Stop it! I'm trying to play. Oh my God. It's not doing anything. Stop it. Stop it. Ow! No pinching. I hurt. What was that? Seriously? Nice one. Nice. Oh, yeah. Especially if you have super sneakers. Yeah. Jump extra far with them. And they can suck stuff even if they're under objects. And be careful, watch your feet, okay? Or watch the bar before you jump over something. It always kills me, so it usually kills me. And upgrade your stuff as much as possible because they can stay longer and do better. Mine used to do 5%, now it's doing 12%. And if you don't like Subway servers, man, you don't like life. And if you sign into Facebook, you get these extra, like double jump, 10% multiplayer, mystery boards. I'll show you the ones that I've got. The ones that I've got, the wing glider, gone. This, that's it. No, I already have them last time. Good. And all you haters out there, hate if you want, lovers, love if you want. What you doing? What's it doing? If you're a big fan, you should subscribe and you should see my other video, my first video. It's called Sparkler. That's where the light is a sparkler and I ran around being chased by a sparkler a little bit. And then I crashed into a freaking bush before when I was walking out putting on the video. I crashed into the bush. It's in the video. You should see it. It's pretty funny. Hey, I'll reveal that video to you. In a couple of videos, in a while. But I'll show you it. Hey, Mom.